Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back. I know it's been a little while. I went to New York and actually ended up catching COVID. I missed a whole week of work. Had to stay away from everyone. It sucks. It set me back pretty far. But I'm back now and I have some good news. Before I left to New York, I actually had dropped off my case halves. Yesterday I picked them up and they're looking super clean. Cleaned them for me. Vapor honed the cylinders. So it's ready. It's ready to be assembled. But on that note, pistons and rods are ordered, but it's gonna be a little bit of a waiting period. Pretty much everything is back ordered right now, so it's gonna be a little while till we're able to put the motor together. So in the meantime, I was able to go to Subaru and order the bolts to mount my Brembos. So we're gonna go ahead and put those on today. So yeah, let's get going. God damn. Harness, nice. These things are starting to get a little rusty, but we are in luck. I don't have to compress this. Ha ha ha, let's go. Alright, I gotta take off this old brake line though. I was able to get brand new caliper bolts from Subaru, so that's exciting. Nah, this doesn't make any sense. Alright, I have a situation, an unfortunate one. Damn, my hands are dirty and I'm touching my face. So, these bolts are massive, and I was like, why? So it turns out there's actually a bracket that goes here on the other side of the knuckle, which I don't have. So I just called Subaru and they didn't have them in stock. No Subaru dealer within 50 miles has them. So I had to order a set, and those won't come in for another week. I think I'm just gonna put them on like this. They're gonna be loose, which is honestly is fine. I'm gonna have to put the bracket on when I get it, but I'm too determined to make this video to not put these on. So I'm gonna put them on. They're not gonna be fastened properly, but they will be on. Yeah, it is what it is. Oh, they look good though. Yo.
You got it? Did you put washers?
No. Oh yeah. We ain't got no rubbing though.
It's on. Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know?
It works. It actually doesn't work. This is what I like to call form over function. It looks good though. And since we have this side jacked up already, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this e-brake situation. My extension's a little bit too long here, but we're gonna make it work. Ah! Ah! Come on, get in there. Ah, my eyes. The dirt. This is where having long hair becomes a problem. Oh no. It's so dirty. There's dirt in my mouth and my eyes. You may be asking, Ivan, why didn't you put the car in the lift? That's what I'm asking myself right now too. What the fuck, man? That thing is frustrating. Alright, let's get this other side done. Alright guys, I know this was a short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was actually planning on filming more stuff that day. I honestly lost a lot of motivation right after I put that second caliper on. Honestly, there's been so much stuff in the way of putting my car together that it kind of really started to get into me. I really want to put my car together, man. Like, it's been a while. It's been like 4 weeks since I uploaded. I honestly just haven't had content that I felt worthy of uploading. Consistently uploading is definitely something that's really important to me, but I also don't want to end up uploading something that I'm not satisfied with just to upload every week. Yes, I'm trying to build a career here and make this my full-time job, but I'm also trying to tell a story. So yeah, I don't want to post some crap, honestly. And I feel like I've been recording a lot of random stuff, but nothing I felt that good enough to put into a whole video, and this was definitely the best I feel like I had. Honestly, don't know when we're gonna get going with the car or my dad's car. Hopefully soon, but it's gonna be a little bit, and I've been trying to figure out what to do with content, trying to figure out if I should get something else in the meantime or what. I don't know yet. So maybe a little while till I upload again, but I just want you guys to know that I'm not like quitting or forgetting about this. It's just like, it's a confusing time for me. I'm trying to figure things out. The two main projects we have going on right now are super major, and once they really get rolling, they're gonna be rolling. Like, once they get put together and are running, that's it. Like, it's just gonna keep going from there. But until then, yeah, it's been a little bit of a struggle. I'm trying to figure something out, like I said. We'll see, depending on how long it takes for things to go. I may do something else in the meantime, so we'll see. I don't want to say too much, because one, I don't know if it's gonna happen, or two, I don't want to ruin a surprise. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. The traffic on my channel has been increasing so much lately, and it's been so surreal, honestly. Like, it's kind of wild. It's nothing compared to big YouTubers, but from where I started, it's kind of crazy, and I'm excited to see where it keeps going. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Hit the like button, drop a comment down below if you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys soon, and I love you.